Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to do 26B of coordinate geometry from the book Concise Serena class 9 ICSE. So this video you are going to learn how to draw the graphs of linear equations. So after going through this video, if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the first question. It says draw the graph for each linear equation given below. So let's start with the first one. X is equal to 3. When we say x is equal to 3, each and every point on this line x is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis. So this is the line. Since I'm not using the scale, you have to use the scale. This is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. And x is equal to 3 is this line. So the first one, that is x is equal to 3. Now the second line, it says x is equal to minus plus 3. So if x plus 3 is equal to 0, so this becomes x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 is a line again parallel to y-axis which will pass through minus 3 on x-axis. So this is the second part, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0. While writing, we will be writing like that. This is actually x is equal to minus 3. Now x minus 5 is equal to 0 is nothing but x is equal to 5. So let us draw x is equal to 5. This is again a line which is going to be parallel to y-axis. So x is equal to 5. It passes through the point 5 on x-axis and parallel to y-axis. So this is the line. The third one, that is x minus 5 is equal to 0. The fourth one, it says 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So when we solve it, you get 2x is equal to 7. And x is equal to 7 upon 2, which is 7 upon 2 is 3.5. So let us draw x is equal to 3.5, positive 3.5. So the line is, this is the line which is passing through, this is the point 3.5. So the line which is passing through 3.5, that is x is 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, is this line. So this is the line which is 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So the fifth one is y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 is the line which is going to be parallel to x-axis. So this is the line which is y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 we have done. Y plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 is the line. This is the line which is parallel to x-axis. So this line is y is equal to y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then y minus 2 is equal to 0 is equal y is equal to 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 0 is y is equal to 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 0 is this line. So this is y minus 2 equals to 0. And it is 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So you get 3y is equal to minus 5, or y is equal to minus 5 by 3. So when we say y is equal to minus 5 by 3, so this line is going to be y is equal to minus 1.66, approximately 67. So y is equal to minus 1.6 is somewhere over here. So this is going to be the line y is equal to minus 1.67. 5 by 3 is what is 1 minus 1.67. So this is the line, the equation of the line. This is 3y. This is 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we have the next one, that is ninth one, which says 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So ninth one, it is 2y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 by 2, which is 2.5. So y is equal to 2.5 comes over here, exactly between 2 and 3. So this is the line y is equal to 2.5. So which is here called as 2y minus 5. So this is 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 is this line. And then y is equal to 0. If you say y is equal to 0 is the equation for x-axis. It is the equation for x-axis. So this is y is equal to 0. X-axis is y is equal to 0. And the last one, x is equal to 0 is the equation for y-axis. So y-axis, the equation is x is equal to 0. So each point on this, the coordinate x is equal to 0. So this is how we have done with the first one. Moving to question number 2, draw the graph of each linear equation given below. So it is y is equal to 3x and y-axis. So this is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. And then the first one, y is equal to 3x. So here we are going to make a table. So x and y. So if you put x is equal to 0, you will get y also will be equal to 0. In this equation, if you put x is equal to 0, 3 times 0. If you put x is equal to 1, you get y is equal to 3 times 1, which is 3. If you put x is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6, you get y is equal to 6. So making this table is important when you are solving the questions. So any 2 points are enough. So we will be taking the 3 points. Now we'll plot this point 0 0. So this is your point 0 0 1 3. Create another table for y is equal to minus x. So we put again x and y. So if you put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 1, you get y is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to 2, you get y is equal to minus 2. So let us plot this point again 0 0. 1 and minus 1. Let me take some other color for this line. So 1 minus 1. X is 1, y is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is this point. X is 2, y is minus 2. So x is 2 and y is minus 2 is this point. And 0 0 is of course 1 point. So let us join these points and our graph for equation y is equal to minus x is done. Then y is equal to minus 2x. So let us again take x and y. So the point in this equation, y is equal to minus 2x. If I put x is equal to 0, you are getting y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, you get y is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 2, you get y is equal to 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. So let us draw the graph for y is equal to minus 2x. So 0, 0. So it is going to start from here. 1 minus 2. So x is 1 and y is minus 2. This is the point. X is 2 and y is minus 4. So 2 and minus 4 is this point. And let us join these 2 points, 3 points, and we can see the graph is again passing through the origin. So this is the line y is equal to minus 2x. Now let us do y is equal to x. So for y is equal to x, let us create a table again here. So you have x and y. If x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2. So these are the points for y is equal to x. So let us draw y is equal to x, 0, 0. Then we have 1, 1. Then we have 2, 2. So these are the points. Let us join these points and our line, the graph for the line y is equal to x is done. So we did with the 4 parts. Now we have to do phi x minus phi plus y is equal to 0. So for that, let me take some other color. So next is fifth one. The fifth one, again we make a table x and y. So we are substituting the value. So it is good to make y the subject. So if you put this is y is equal to minus phi x, this phi x goes over here. So if I'm putting x is equal to 0, I'm getting y is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 1, I get y is equal to minus phi. If I put x is equal to 2, I'm getting y is equal to minus 10. So minus 10. So I'll just take these 2 points because here minus 10 I don't have on my graph. So let me draw the line phi x plus y is equal to 0 with 0, 0 and 1 minus phi. So 0, 0 and 1 and minus phi. So two non-linear, these 2 points determine a unique line, remember. So we draw the line passing through 0, 0 and 1 and minus 5. So with the scale properly it is to be drawn. So this is your line. This is your line which is phi x plus y is equal to 0. This is the line phi x plus y is equal to 0. So we have done with the fifth part. Then we have x plus 2y is equal to 0. So this can be done in the separate graphs, but since the lines are not going to overlap, so we can do it over here. So for the sixth one, you have x plus 2y is equal to 0. So you get x is equal to minus 2y we can take. We can have it in this way. And then create a table x and y. So here I'm going to put y is equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 0. If y is equal to 1, since I have made x as the subject, so I'm putting the values of y first. If y is equal to 1, I'm getting x is equal to minus 2. If y is equal to 2, I'm getting x is equal to minus 4. So this is for the sixth one. So let us draw the graph for this one. which is that x plus 2y. This is x plus 2y is equal to 0 for that. This is the table. Now 0, 0, minus 2, 1. So 0, 0, minus 2, 1. So minus 2 on x-axis and 1 on y-axis. So this is the point, minus 2, 1. Then x is minus 4 and y is 2. X is minus 4 and y is 2. So this is the point. And of course, 0, 0 is also there. So let us join these points. So we have, this is the line. So this is your line, and the equation of this line is what? It is x plus 2y is equal to 0. So we have done with the sixth part. Now we have 4x minus y is equal to 0. So this one, seventh one, I'm doing it over here. So it is 4x minus y is equal to 0. So we'll take 4x is equal to y. This minus y goes over here. So if I'm putting x is equal to 0, I get, if I put x and y, if I put x is equal to 0 here, you get y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8. So we have these points now. So let us draw 1, 4. So 1 and 4 is this point, 1, 4. Then it is 2, 8. 2 and 8 is this point, and the line passes through the origin again. So let us take some other color because we are doing in the same graph. So it should look little neat. So this is your point 0, 0. This was your 1, 4 and then 2, 8. So let us join this, extend it, and it passes through the origin. It passes through the origin. So this black wala line is my line. What is the line? 4x minus y is equal to 0. Now we are left with 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the one, 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. So eighth one, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. So this becomes 3x is equal to 2y, minus 2y, or you get 3x is equal to minus 2y. So 3x upon minus 2 is equal to y. So if I am putting x is equal to, now if I put, this will be let us make the table x and y. So if I am putting x is equal to 0, you are getting y is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to minus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, you get y is equal to 3. If I put x is equal to, see, we have to see the numbers which are divisible by minus 2. If I put x is equal to minus 4, so you will get minus 2 and minus 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 3 twos are, you get y is equal to 6. So let us plot this 0, 0, minus 2, 3. So minus 2 and 3 is this point, minus 2, 3 is this point, minus 2, 3. Then you have minus 4, 6, minus 4 and 6 on y-axis. So you got these 2 points. And then 0, 0 is there. So all of these lines are passing through the origin, you can see. All of these lines. So this is our line, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. We have done with the 8. Now x is equal to minus 2y. So if I am putting if I put x is equal to 0, you are getting again y is equal to 0. So let us make a table for this line over here, x and y. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to, or if I'll put y value, so that because x is the subject here. So if I put y is equal to 1, I'm getting x is equal to minus 2. If I put y is equal to 2, I'm getting x is equal to 2 twos are minus 4. So we got this point. So let us plot the points for this graph. So we have this is 0, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1. So minus 2, 1 is this point. This is the point minus 2, 1, common with the some other point. And 2 and minus 4, minus 2, 1. And this is minus 2, 1 and minus 4 and 2. So minus 4 and positive 2 is this point. So these are the 2 points. So this is 0, 0. If I put x is equal to, y is equal to 1, I got x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2, I got x is equal to minus 4. So minus 2, 1. So x is minus 2 and y is 1 is this point. X is minus 4 and y is 2 is this point, and 0, 0. So is this the same line? So this is overlapping. So this is the same line, which was x plus 2, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2y. These are the two same lines. Okay. So it was x plus 2y is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2y. These two lines are same. These two lines are the same lines. They are overlapping. Okay. So thus we have done with question number 2. You can draw the separate graphs. What you can observe here, all the lines are passing through the origin. So if you get y is equal to mx wala form, always the lines will pass through the origin. First part when we start, so it is y is equal to 2x plus 3. So we start with x and y, we create the table. So if I put x is equal to 0, if I put x is equal to 0, 2 times 0 is 0 and this is plus 3. So you get y is equal to 3. If I put x is equal to 1, so 2 ones are 2 plus 3 is 5. So I get y is equal to 5. If I put x is equal to minus 1, so this is going to be 3, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So we are getting this point. Minus 2. 1 into 2 is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 and minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So these 3 points are enough. So we are doing the first one. So our point is 0, 3. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Draw that properly in your graph book. And 0, 3. So x0 and y3. So it is going to lie on x-axis. This is the point 0, 3. Then 1, 5. So 1 and 5. So 1, 5 is this point. The next point is minus 1, 1. So x is minus 1 and y is 1. So these are the points. So let us draw this line properly with the scale you are supposed to do. I don't have a scale here. So draw with the scale passing through these 3 points. And this is our graph ready, which is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, we have a place, so we'll do one more over here. So we'll do second one. Second one, we have y is equal to 2x upon 3 minus 1. So substituting the values, let us point. So always, the fraction is 3, so we will take a point where x is equal to 3. So if I take x is equal to 3, so it is 2 times 3 upon 3 minus 1. This 3 and 3 got cancelled. 2 minus 1, it is 1. If I take x is equal to 6, we'll take the numbers which are divisible by 3. If I take x is equal to 6, so it is 2 into 6 upon 3 minus 1. 3 ones are 3 twos are. 2 twos are 4 minus 1, we get 3. So enough, 2 points are enough for us to draw. So 3, 1. So x is 3 and y is 1 is this point. X is 6 and y is 3 is this point. So let us draw the graph passing through these 2 points. So, and then extend it back. So this is your graph. And this is the graph for y is equal to 2x upon 3 minus 1. Okay. The next graph is y is equal to x minus x plus 4. So let us make a table for the third one over here. So it says, let us take x and y. So minus x plus 4. So if I put x is equal to 1. So minus 1 plus 4, y is equal to 3. If I put x is equal to 2. So minus 2 plus 4, you get y is equal to 3. If I put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 4. So these points are enough. So we have 1, 3. Let us draw this graph for the third one. So 1, 3. So 1 and 3 is this point. Then next is 2, 2. Both the points 2, 2 and then 0, 4. So x is 0 and y is 4. It is going to lie on y-axis. So these are the 3 points for the third one. So let us join them and extend it. So this is how our graph for the third one, that is y is equal to minus x plus 4 is done. We have done with these 3. For the next one, we will use the another graph. So that in this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Let us draw the table for the fourth one. So the fourth one, it is y is equal to 4x minus 5 by 2. So it is 5 by 2 is 2.5. So let it be like that. So if let us put x and y. So if I put x is equal to 0, I get y is equal to minus 5 by 2. So we get minus 2.5. If I put x is equal to 1, if I put x is equal to 1, so it is 4 minus, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 2.5. So which we get it as 1.5. You get the y as 1.5. If you put x is equal to say 2, 4 twos are 8. So 8 minus 2.5. 8 minus 2.5, you get this as 5.5. So this you get as 5.5. So these 3 points are enough for drawing the line. So we do the fourth one over here, 0 and minus 2.5. So minus 2.5 is this point, 0 and minus 2.5. Then it is 1 and 1.5. So x is 1 and y is positive 1.5. So 1.5 is this point, 1 and 1.5. Then x is 2 and y is 5.5. So x is 2 and y is 5.5 is this point, 5.5. So let us draw the graph using the scale. Let us draw and join these points. And this is our graph. This is our graph for the fourth one, which is y is equal to 4x minus 5 by 2. Okay, so the fourth one is done. Let us do the fifth one. We'll do the calculation over here. So we'll put x is equal to 2. So if you put x is equal to 2, this gets cancelled, 2 and 2. So we get just 3 plus 2 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 by 3. So 11 upon 3, we can have the decimal of 11 upon 3. So 11 upon the 3, 11 divided by 3, we get this as 3.66, which is 3.66. Let us take x is equal to, 2, this is 2, so we have taken here, let us take minus 2. So if I take minus 2, so 3 times minus 2 upon 2, so 2 ones are, and this is plus 2 by 3. So this is minus 3, so minus 9 uh, plus 2 upon 3, minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7 by 3, and minus 7 by 3, we get this as 2.33, we get this as minus 2.33. So if I put x is equal to minus 2, I'm getting minus 2.33. Let us plot these 2 points. So x is 2 and y is 3.66. So x is 2 and y is 3.66 will be somewhere here. X is 2 and y is 3.66. The next point was x is minus 2 and y is minus, if x is minus 2, you get y is minus 2.33. Minus 2 and x is minus 2 and y is minus 2.33, which will be somewhere here. And let us join these 2 points. So joining these 2 points, we get the line. So this is your line, and the equation of the line is y is equal to 3x upon 2 plus 2 by 3. So this is our line. So what is important here? Making the table is important. Now let us do the next one on the another graph, sixth one. Now let us start with the sixth one. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So first draw your x-axis and y-axis should be ready, and points over here. Now 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So you get, if I put 2x is equal to 4 plus 3y. So if I'm putting the y, let us make the table again, x and y. So if you put x is equal to, so if you put, since we are making x the on left hand side, let us put the value of y. So if I put y is equal to 0, if I put y is equal to 0, then you get 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. If I put y is equal to 0, you are getting x is equal to 2. If I put y is equal to minus 1, if I put y is equal to minus 1, then you get 2x is equal to 4 minus 3, which is x is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1, and 1 upon 2. So you get x is equal to 0.5. You get x is equal to 0.5. If you put y is equal to 2, if we put y is equal to 2, so you get 2x is equal to 4 plus 3 times 2, which is 6, so it is 10. So x is equal to 10 upon 2, which is 5. So you get, if you put y is equal to 2, you get x is equal to 5. So let us plot these points. So 2, 0. So x is 2 and y is 0 is this point, which will lie on x-axis. Then x is 0.5 and y is minus 1. So x is 0.5 and y is minus 1 is this point. Then you have x is 5 and y is 2. So x 5 and y is 2 is this point, 5 and 2. So let us join these points and our graph is then done for the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So we have done with 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now the seventh one, it is x minus, so we will be simplifying this equation first. So seventh one, let us simplify this equation. So we have x minus 1 upon 3 is equal to y plus 2 upon 2. Simplify, so you get 2 in bracket x minus 1 is equal to 3 in bracket y plus 2. So get 2x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 6. So if I want to make y the subject, then this becomes 2x, okay, 2x uh, is equal to 3y plus 6 plus 2, which is 8. So x is equal to, if I put, now let us find. So this is going to be x is equal to 3 by 2y plus 8 by 2, which is 4. So let us now put the values of y. So I'm putting y is equal to 2. If I put y is equal to 2, because divisible by 2, since the denominator is 2 here. So if I put y is equal to 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 3 plus 4, you get, if you put y is equal to 2, you are getting x is equal to 7. You are putting y is equal to 2 over here, you get x is equal to 7. If you put y is equal to minus 2, so this becomes 3 upon 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So this is minus 3 plus 4, which is 1. So you get x is equal to positive 1. So if you put x is equal to minus 4, so 3 upon 2 into minus 4 plus 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, this is plus 4. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 plus 4, which is minus 2. So if I'm putting y is equal to minus 4, you get x is equal to minus 2. And these many points are enough for us to plot. So let us plot this point 7, 2. So x is 7 and y is 2. So this is the point. 1 and minus 2. X is 1 and y is minus 2 is this point. Then x is minus 2 and y is minus 1 and minus 2 is done. X is minus 2 and y is minus 4. So minus 2 and minus 4 is this point. And this is the point. And let us join this, and our graph is then done for the line. Seventh one, the equation of this line is x minus 1 upon 3 minus y plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 0. So simplifying this, and you get this equation, okay, making x the subject, and then create the table, and then you will be able to do it. Okay, so 2 are left. Let us do that on the another graph. So let us do the eighth part again. So eighth part again, we will be simplifying this equation. So simplifying this equation for making y the subject, shift this phi here. So shifting this phi over here, so we get phi in bracket x minus 3 is equal to 2 in bracket y plus 1. So phi x minus 15 is equal to 2y plus 2. So we phi x is equal to 2y plus 2 plus 15, so which becomes plus 17. So phi x is equal to 2y plus 17. So if I will take this 17 that side, that would be better. So we get phi x minus 17 is equal to 2y, or phi by 2x minus 17 by 2 is equal to y. Now let us create the table for this, making y the subject or x the subject, it becomes easy. So x and y. So we will be taking the values of x, wherein it is, divisible by 2. So if I put x is equal to 2, so if I put x is equal to 2, so this 2 and 2 got cancelled, and 17 by 2 is 8.5. So this is 5 minus 8.5, which is 5 minus 8.5, you get this as minus 3.5. So we get this as minus 3. This is minus 3.5. Okay, let us take x is equal to 4. So we have 5 upon 2 into 4 minus 8.5 is equal to y. 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10. And 10 minus 8.5 is 1.5. So if x is equal to 4, you get y is equal to 1.5. So if I take x is equal to 6, so 5 upon 2 into 6 minus 8.5. So 2 ones are 2 threes are, 5 threes are 15, and 15 minus 8.5, 15 minus 8.5, you get this as 6.5. So if you get x is equal to 6, you are getting y is equal to 6.5. Let us plot this. So 2 and minus 3.5. So 2 and minus 3.5 is this point. Then 4 and 1.5. So 4 and 1.5 is this point. Then 6 and 6.5. If you put 6, then you are getting the value of y as 6.5. So 6 and 6.5 is this point. Let us join these points. Join it properly with the ruler. And this is your graph for the equation x minus 3 is equal to 2 upon 5 in bracket y plus 1. Now only the last part left. The last part, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. And we are left with the last part of question number 3. The equation is x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to minus 5y minus 2. So if you put x is equal to, if you put y is equal to 1, if you put, let us take x and y. So if you put y is equal to 0, let us put y is equal to 0, then you get x is equal to minus 2. If you put y is equal to minus 2, okay, if you put y is equal to minus 1, so minus 1, 5, minus 5 times minus 1 minus 2, this is minus 5 into minus 1 is positive 5, 5 minus 2 is positive 3. If you put x is equal to minus 2, so it is 5 2s are minus 5, 5 into minus 2 is positive 10 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So you get x is equal to 8. So if you are putting y is equal to minus 2, you are getting x is equal to 8. 5 times minus 2 is positive 10 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So let us plot these points. So we have minus 2, 0. So minus 2 and x coordinate, y coordinate 0, this is going to lie on x-axis. Then 3 and minus 1. So 3 and minus 1 is this point, 3 and minus 1. Then 8 and minus 2. So 8 and minus 2 is this point. And then join it and your last one graph is being done. So thus we are done with the last one. The equation of this line is x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. Got it?